안녕하세요.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Hello Hangul Company. Today we're learning Korean tense consonants, or songchom. Let's jump in. Korean has 5 tense consonants.
끄, 뜨, 푸, 스, 츠.
They're like their regular partners ku, tu, pu, su, chu, but pronounced with a little more tension and strength. Think of them as the bold version of the sound. Number 1, let's learn songkiek pronounced ku.
끄,
끄,
This is the stronger version of ku. The bass sound is ku. You make the same sound as ku, but with more tension in your throat. Here's a word example kachi. It means magpie. Repeat after me.
같이.
같이,
Example with the vowel a. This forms ka, pronounced ka.
까,
Number 2, let's learn songtikuk pronounced tu.
뜨,
뜨,
This is the stronger version of tu. The bass sound is tu. You make the same sound as tu, but with more tension in your throat. Here's a word example tong. It means land or ground. Repeat after me.
땅,
땅,
Example with the vowel a. This forms ta, pronounced ta.
따,
Number 3, let's learn songpuk pronounced pu.
뿌,
뿌,
This is the stronger version of pu. The bass sound is pu. You make the same sound as pu, but with more tension in your throat. Here's a word example pong. It means bread. Repeat after me.
빵,
빵,
Example with the vowel a. This forms pa, pronounced pa.
빠,
Number 4, let's learn songseok pronounced su.
스,
스,
This is the stronger version of su. The bass sound is su. You make the same sound as su, but with more tension in your throat. Here's a word example. See, it means Mr. or Ms. And sita, it means to wash. Repeat after me.
시,
시,
씻다.
씻다,
Example with the vowel a. This forms sa, pronounced sa. Number 5, let's learn songchiuk pronounced chu.
쯔,
쯔,
This is the stronger version of chu. The bass sound is chu. You make the same sound as chu, but with more tension in your throat. Here's a word example chata. It means salty. Repeat after me.
짜다.
짜다,
Example with the vowel a. This forms cha, pronounced ja.
짜,
Let's compare the normal versus tense consonants with the vowel a. Repeat after me.
가, 까, 다, 따, 빠, 빠, 사, 싸, 자, 짜,
Practice time.
까, 따, 빠, 싸, 짜.
Awesome work today. You learned all 5 tense consonants and you practiced them with real Korean words. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.